No more boring Nigerian pepper sauce. Let's make this delicious sauce together. This is the base: red paprika, onions, wash, peel, cut, and set aside. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. And here we have garlic, Scotch bonnet pepper, chili pepper, and some fresh rosemary. Add all these to a blender, then add bouillon seasoning, ginger powder, coriander powder, ground anise, paprika powder, curry powder, dried oregano, salt, and olive oil. Blend until you have a smooth paste. And now to the protein of choice. I am using goat meat and beef. Add the garlic mix and rub until you have all the meat coated. Then add the onions and the red paprika you already prepared. The goal is to grill the meat and roast the paprika and onions. This method of cooking takes the sauce to the next level. The flavor is rich and intense. Drizzle a bit of olive oil and place in a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for around 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, remove the onions and paprika and blend until smooth. Continue to grill the meat as we want a dry texture like so. Then remove from the heat and set aside. And now to a saucepan, add a bit of olive oil, bay leaves, cardamom pods, curry powder, and saute for just 1 minute until fragrant. Then add the blended base, and because we already roasted the paprika and the onions, there's no need to cook for a long period as the raw taste is already gone. If you're still watching the video up to this point, thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe as it helps the channel grow and it also helps the video reach others. Add some water. The amount of water will depend on how light or thick you like your sauce. A bit of dried rosemary. Cover and saute for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, add the grilled meat. Add a bit of salt. Mix together. Taste and adjust the seasoning if required. Reduce the heat to low and allow to cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, and voila, our delicious pepper sauce is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point, and until next time, remain blessed.